Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up a playlist with the Amazon Music. So first of all, this tutorial is for PC and Mac. So first of all, just go ahead to the browser, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to click this article and just see how it's done, right? And if you want to create a playlist at any time within Amazon Music app, Amazon Music Prime customers can create up to 35 playlists, and Amazon Free Music customers up to 10 playlists. Now, if you want to create a playlist, go to My Playlist in the navigation sidebar in the Amazon Music menu, and then select plus create new playlist, and then enter the name of your playlist, and then select save, just like creating a playlist on Spotify or SoundCloud. And for the fourth step, just go ahead and click on explore and add, and then basically click on the more option menu, three vertical dots icon, and next to the song or album, and then select add to the playlist option, and then lastly choose the playlist that you wish to add to your section to, right? So basically playlists have a 2500 song limit. If you want your playlist to sync across your devices, be sure to manage your playlist while online music is selected under library. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.